Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a simple GIF like this one in Photoshop. So let's get right into it. First, we need to create a new file. It doesn't have to be too big, about 500 by 500, and make sure the color mode is RGB. Alright. Now, as you can see, I got my stock images. I'll be using it today, and let's bring them into Photoshop. Now take our doggo into the file and transform it. So how this is going to work is each layer in our file will act as a frame for animation. All of them just stacked on top of each other like that. Okay, so let's get into the whole making the frame part. Let's start making the frames. I brought in the sunglasses to make up our final frame. I'll just be going backwards, starting from the last frame and working our way to the beginning one. So the trick is to make small changes to each layer so that in the final product, the animation goes smoothly. There we go. And now to bring it all together, first we need to go to Window and select Timeline to get started. Let's just bring this down and click Create Frame Animation. But as you can see, there's only one frame, even though we got like 10 layers. So to fix that, let's check out the timeline for the frames. Now you can see that we got all our layers, but the problem is that they are all running at the same time. Now all we got to do is just move the layers to fit our timeline nicely. And by the way, this only happens in older versions of Photoshop. I'm pretty sure that CC 2015 and up don't have this problem. Now once you're done with that, head back to the frame view, and there we go. All 13 layers are in frames. Now let's hit play, and you see, each frame will be displayed for like 5 seconds, but that's too long for a GIF. So let's select all the frames and choose the lowest amount of time, so 0.1 seconds. Boom! See that smooth animation? Oops, I forgot to fill in those spaces. Let's get that done. And finally, let's set it so that this plays over and over forever. That's it. Now let's save it. Head over to File and choose Save for Web. For newer versions, it's File, Export, and then Save for Web. Here, you got your GIF. You can give it one last preview before saving it. Make sure that the color is adaptive and choose the maximum number of colors, which is 256. After that, you're ready to go. Hit save and there. So we can just drag the GIF into the browser and see, it works perfectly. Thanks for watching guys, hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.